Hey there, drone enthusiasts. Welcome back to another exciting video, where we delve into the world of aerial photography. Today, we're counting down the top 5 drone camera, video, intros you've been eagerly waiting for. Top 1. The world of high-resolution aerial photography and videography. With the Xiaomi Z908 Pro Max drone, this top-of-the-line quadcopter is a game-changer, offering 8K video resolution and dual camera capabilities. You might be thinking, 8K resolution, what's that? Well, it's double the resolution of 4K, bringing you breathtaking details and captures. The dual camera setup includes a 360-degree fisheye lens and a high-definition telephoto lens for those epic zoom shots. But it's not just about the picture quality. This drone has all the bells and whistles you need for an unforgettable flight experience. With GPS navigation and FPV first-person view technology, you can effortlessly control your drone from any angle and view your shots in real time on its built-in screen. It also comes with obstacle avoidance technology, ensuring a smooth flight without any unexpected surprises. The Xiaomi Z908 Pro Max drone won't disappoint. It can fold down to half its size for easy storage and transportation. So there you have it, folks. The Xiaomi Z908 Pro Max drone, an innovative piece of tech that will definitely take your photography game to new heights. Remember, if you're looking for high-quality drones that deliver incredible results, this one should definitely be on your list. Top 2. The world of high-tech gadgets with a focus on the Xiaomi MIJIA P11 Max Drone. The P11 Max is not just any drone, but an advanced piece of technology that packs a punch. It boasts an 8,000 camera for stunning aerial photography and video recording. The 5G connectivity ensures smooth, high-speed transmission of your content. This drone isn't just a pretty face either. It's equipped with GPS and professional HD technology for precise navigation and stunning visuals. The dual camera system ensures you capture every detail with crystal clarity. But wait, there's more. The P11 Max is also built for safety with obstacle avoidance features, ensuring your drone lands in one piece every time. Its 10,000 meters battery life gives you enough juice to capture those breathtaking views and create memorable moments. With a 1-minute duration, this drone is perfect for capturing amazing footage during your outdoor adventures or simply enjoying the view from above. Remember to stay safe while using this device. Follow the instructions carefully and be aware of local regulations concerning drone use. Don't forget to share your photos and videos with us using #XIAOMIP11 Max Drone Challenge. Top 3. The S2S drone with 8K HD dual camera and brushless motor obstacle avoidance quadcopter. This advanced technology drone is perfect for aerial photography and video recording. With its built-in brushless motor obstacle avoidance system, you can rest assured that your drone will navigate safely through various environments. The S2S drone features a high-capacity battery that provides a flight time of up to 20 to 25 minutes per charge, giving you ample time to capture those perfect shots. And when it's time to recharge, you can do so in just 120 minutes. The foldable design makes it easy to store and transport, allowing you to take your drone with you on the go. With its 8K HD dual camera option, you can capture stunning photos and videos from every angle. And for those who want even more power, there are other camera options available like the 4K HD or even the 6K HD versions. So if you're ready to take your drone game up a notch, be sure to check out the S2S drone. Top 4. The world of aerial photography with an exciting product review. The Xiaomi P11 drone. This high-tech device boasts an impressive 8K professional camera, GPS HD capabilities, dual camera features, obstacle avoidance technology, optical flow positioning system for accurate localization, and altitude setting. The brushless motor and 4000 kV ESC ensure smooth and efficient performance. Now, let's discuss some of its key features. 8K professional camera for stunning aerial photography and video recording. GPS HD technology ensures precise positioning and stable flight. Dual camera features allow you to capture images from different angles simultaneously. Obstacle avoidance technology keeps your drone safe from potential collisions. Optical flow positioning system provides accurate localization for smooth navigation. Brushless motor technology ensures quiet and efficient performance. Enough power to lift off easily and maintain a steady flight even in slight wind conditions. Overall, this Xiaomi P11 drone is a fantastic choice for professionals or enthusiasts looking to take their aerial photography skills to the next level. 4,000 per kilovolts ESCs provide. The S1S drone, this high-tech quadcopter, is packed with features that will leave you thrilled. Firstly, let's talk about its impressive 4K professional camera. This camera is perfect for capturing stunning aerial footage and stills. You can easily stream live and record your flight, making it a must-have tool for photographers and videographers alike. Next up is its 360 obstacle avoidance system. This feature ensures your drone can navigate safely around obstacles, giving you peace of mind during those long flights. And let's not forget about its foldable design, perfect for traveling with. That the S1S drone isn't just about technology, it's also about fun, with features like one-button takeoff and landing, headless mode, and auto return to home. Even beginners can easily control this sleek quadcopter. Drone gift or toy for yourself or someone special. Consider the S1S drone. It's an investment in both fun and technology that won't disappoint. That's all for today, folks. Thanks for tuning in. If you enjoyed this video and want to see more like it, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel. Until next time, happy flying.